New year with new goals for St. Joseph City Council. KQ2's Daniel Soxie sharing with us some of their plans to improve in 2021.
City leaders were all in agreement.
The overall appearance of the city is something that we need to be focusing on.
The appearance that our community puts out is not the greatest always.
The first city council meeting of the year, members discussed goals for 2021, and all were voicing the same resolution.
You know, community appearance is one of the major things that we need to focus on, in my opinion. You know, just what people see. You know, we're trying to look at ways to bring people into our community, but what they're seeing when they come into our community is not always the greatest.
The number one thing that people are dissatisfied with as far as the city, according to the last couple of community surveys that have gone out through Community Alliance.
The city has a vision they establish when they come into their 4-year term, and this council's goal is to tackle part of the city's 2040 plan and work on community appearance.
And there's several programs that are active, that have received the support of council, and were a direct result of residents' input as part of that community survey.
The Krug Park Amphitheater was another hot topic for the year.
One of the big goals the council has had all along is the Krug Park project, what we do there. You know, in my opinion, that ought to be one of our priorities.
A project that has been in motion for a few years and took a pause, but now is in the driver's seat for 2021.
This is the gem of the city that we have right here in the Krug Park Castle, but it is and has been rapidly deteriorating over the last couple of decades because, you know, Parks just doesn't get the funding to maintain it. But if we're able to bring in an amphitheater, you know, through different funding mechanisms, we'll be able to save, you know, one of the best features of our city.
Reporting in St. Joseph, Daniel Soxie, KQ2 News.
Council members say they also want to look at the appearance of the riverfront and other event centers, along with repaving alleyways and identifying blighted areas throughout the city, all to work toward the goal of better community appearance.